Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money as a freelancer. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to take control of your career and work on your own terms? If so, freelancing may be the perfect option for you. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of freelancing, the best way to get started, and tips for success. First, let's talk about the benefits of freelancing. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to choose your own projects. As a freelancer, you have the ability to be choosy about the projects you take on, which can lead to a higher level of satisfaction with your career overall. Another benefit is the ability to set your own hours. This can be helpful if you have other commitments outside of work, or if you simply prefer to work at odd hours. You can tailor your work schedule to fit your lifestyle, which is a major perk of this type of career. In addition, freelancing allows you to work from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can do your job from wherever you happen to be. This is perfect for people who love travel or who need the flexibility of working from home occasionally. Now, let's talk about the best way to get started as a freelancer. The first step is to find your niche. It's important to find your niche and focus on becoming an expert in that area. This will make it easier to market yourself and find clients who are willing to pay for your services. There are several methods of finding your niche. First, you can consider the types of projects you enjoy working on and the industries you're passionate about. Then, you can look at the skills and experience you have to see what areas you're most qualified to work in. Finally, you can research trends in the freelance marketplace to see what kinds of services are in high demand. Once you've found your niche, it's important to create a strong portfolio that showcases your work and highlights the results you've been able to achieve for previous clients. If you're just getting started, you may not have much previous work to show off yet. In this case, create some sample projects or do pro bono work for charities or small businesses. By building up a strong portfolio, you'll be well on your way to landing high-paying clients. Marketing is essential for any freelancer looking to grow their business. There are a number of ways to market yourself, including creating a strong online presence, networking with other professionals, and speaking at industry events. To create an online presence, start a blog and write articles that showcase your expertise. List your services on relevant directories and platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Also, don't forget the importance of social media. Creating profiles on sites like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook can help you reach a wider audience and connect with potential clients from all over the world. Networking is also crucial for freelancers. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other freelancers to expand your network and find new opportunities. Remember to stay organized, Stay professional, and meet deadlines. These are key to building a successful freelancing career. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money as a freelancer. Remember that freelancing has many benefits and it's a great way to take control of your career and work on your own terms. Start by finding your niche, create a strong portfolio, and market yourself effectively. Stay organized, stay professional, and meet deadlines. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.